So here just need to call a method modules. Yes, this one. And then just need to pass this variable name here. Let me import it. And also here I need to define Android context. So here before our module method I should have Android context. Good. And then just need pass this at my app. As I said before, let me explain again why we need to having this Android context here. Android context parameters is used to provide Android application context to Koin container. The context is essential because it allows Koin to manage the lifecycle of dependencies correctly and ensure that resources are properly allocated and released as needed. Here our work is done with the dependency injection, and now I want to create my adapter. So again, you can put every name that you want. Here I want to use adapter. First I need to extend this class from RecyclerView dot adapter, and let me create our inner class for view holder. View holder. And then here I should pass this view holder, not adapter dot view holder. Good. And just let me implement this member here. Good. And yeah, I want to move it our view holder here. And just let me extend this class from RecyclerView dot view holder. Later here I should pass our binding route. So let's add binding here. First of all, private latinate var. So binding, it should be, yes, this one. Item not binding. First, let's complete this method. So inflator, yes, and here I just need to call it inflator from a parent's context. Yes, good. And then just need to call my binding here, inflate, then pass previous variable and then pass parent, and the last one should be false. Nice. And here just need return view holder, and let's add binding here as well. Binding dot root, and also let's just create here a bind function. Okay, here can pass our entity. Nice. And here let me define my differ callback. Here I want to use DiffUtils. Guys, if you have any question about DiffUtils, don't hesitate, ask me in the comment section, and also I will put the link about all other requirements that you need to know about this tutorial, like RoomDatabase like DiffUtils. Before we had some tutorials about RoomDatabase, about DiffUtils. So here I need to create my differ callback. Differ callback. Yes. And I should create object of DiffUtils item callback. Yes. And just here I need to pass my node entity. Let me, yes, this one. And as you can see here, just also call back. Yes, now it's better. And as you can see here, I should implement some member. So let's do it. There's 2 member, and for first one, I should return old item dot not ID with new item dot not ID. It's the same with a little bit changes for the second method. Here, just you can remove not ID. It should just compare old item and new item. And the last thing that I need to do here, create another variable, differ, and here I should call async list differ. Async, yes, this one, and then pass these for first parameter and my previous variable, I mean this one for second variable. So let's go back. Now I can complete this method. Here I just need to call my differ current list and pass size. Good. Let's work with this function. So here just I need to call my binding, and now I have access to my view inside of item node XML. Yes, as you can see, just I want to put a not entity title here and TV description not entity that description. Okay, and the last step here, I should complete this function. Just need to call holder dot I need to use the function, yes, as you can see here, and then call a differ dot current list and then pass position here. Okay, let's just quick check. Yes, I think all the things here is done. So let's go to a main activity and work with this class. The first step here, I need to initialize my variable. So the first one should be for my binding. So binding activity binding. Yes, this one should be yes. And then create another one. Binding get underline binding. Nice. And here also I need to have access to my adapter and view model, because in the main activity I want to show a list of nodes. And okay, private val and not adapter, yes, this one by lazy And here just need to pass node adapter. Nice. And for view model, private again val view model, it should be from database view model, and here Koin allow us to use inject. Yes, and with this way we can inject our view model inside fragments or activity. Just let me add a view binding here, binding activity binding inflate, then pass load inflator. Good. And here I should pass binding dot root. Just I should check null for this one, and then binding dot apply. Good. And also I just need to put null on undestroy. Nice. Binding, it should be no. Okay, here our work is done with the binding. So let's handle this button that we have here and click on it to open our dialog sheet. So here just need to call the ID bt and add node. Yes, call set on click listener. Yes, this one. And for opening the bottom dialog sheet, you can just call your fragment with show, and here easily you can pass support fragment manager, and then here need to pass your fragment name, add a fragment node, and just call tag. Okay, so I guess here we need to check null. Yes, just you can put null check here, and then the error inside of your apply body is gone. And here, as you can see, I have a text view for handling my views if a database was empty. So I should see this text view or not. I should see the list of nodes. So let's handle this situation with a method. So private fun show empty, and here with a simple boolean I can handle my situation. Is shown, it should be as a boolean, and here again let me call my binding, and if is shown was true, so here I should see my RecyclerView visibility should a view dot visible, and here TV empty text visibility should be gone. Okay, oh, sorry, not here. Yes, and here as well, just with a little bit change, is the list was empty, so the recycler view should be gone and the text view should be visible. Here is done our work with this method, and now here I can work with my view model. So first need to call my view model and call getAllNode method. And then I need to have access to the list. So as you can see here, the node list, it's my external variable. I can use it for having access to the node list inside the database. So observe, just need to pass the lifecycle of my activity. And then here with a simple if, I want to handle my view if the list is not empty. So I need to see my RecyclerView with the data, and if it was empty, so I should just see in my text view that I put the method here. So just it is not empty, so I can call this method here and pass through, and then I can work with my adapter and submit my list here. Good. And then also I can work with my RecyclerView. Okay. And now I can call my layout manager. I want to use a linear layout manager, and here just need to pass from our main activity. Good. And also need to pass the adapter. It's not adapter. And let me handle else part as well. Here just need to call our method with false. So here our work is done with the main activity, and now there is just one step, and we should work with the add-node fragment. So for first let me create and initialize my variable here, private var. Again, need to have access to binding, so fragment, this one, pass null, and private val binding. It should be used get from my previous variable. Okay. And also here I need to access to my node entity and also view model. So let's create a variable for my node entity. Yes, this one I can define it as lazy. Yes, and just need call the node entity class here. And for view model, I'm sure you know, like previous class, we need just call our view model, view model is this one, database view model, inject, yes, like this. And also I want to have two more variables for node title and node description when I want to add the nodes inside my database. So private var node title, and also private var node description. Nice. So just here, let me set up my binding. Binding fragment, yes, this one. And just need to pass layout inflator, and then here need to change this part to binding, check null and root. And also here on view destroy view. Just I need to put null for my binding. Good. And now let me open the XML. Here we have a close button. So first I want to handle a click on this image view. So here let's back add on create. Yes, on view created, this one. And then we can call our binding here. And here I have access to my view. So set on click listener, and just for closing our bottom sheet dialog, need to call dismiss. Just that. And now let's handle the other button that we have in our XML, the save button. So here just need to call the button and call set on click listener. And here we can put the text from our edit text into those variable we have created. So yes, this one, the text dot to a string, and the same for not description. So edit description dot text dot to a string. Okay. Oh no, I did a mistake. To a string. Good. Now and just here I want to check those edit text is empty or not. So if the not title is empty and also not description was empty, first show me a message. Here I want to use snackbar dot make. For view you can just pass int, and then here we can put our message. Oh, sorry, cannot be empty. And the last parameter should be the duration of showing the snack bar. So just need to call a snack bar, and then you can choose which duration you want for your snack bar. So for example, here I just want to use short, and then just need to call show. Okay, and now if those edit texts weren't empty, so here just need to add else branch and work with the view model here. Before that, just let me put my data into my not entity. So not entity ID, it should be 0, and not entity dot not title should be not title. Let me check, guys, why. Okay, I did a mistake. Var and also var. Yes, as you can see, the error is gone. So the last one should be for not description. Yes, then here I just need to pass not description. Good. And now it's time to call my view model. And then now I can access to this method for saving my notes into database, and just need to pass my notes entity. And then after saving notes into database, I want to clean my edit text. So just set text like this, and this one, it was for description, and this one is for title. Good. And after add a note into database, I want to dismiss my dialog. So just let me check. It seems all the thing here is done. Guys, just let me show you and add one another code. You know, I want to open my dialog fragment as expanded. So for this matter here, you can add this code. Bottom sheet dialog, and then here call behavior dot state, and then I can put a state underline expanded. Yes, just with this code we can set the expanded state for our bottom sheet dialog. So I guess all thing here is done as well. Our work is done with this project. Now we can run our application and see the result of the code. Okay, the application successfully ran as we expected. So as you can see here, there is no notes in my database, so I should, and I can see this text view. So let's add one note here, and yes, my bottom sheet dialog fragment is open, and I can add a title here. I can put the description. Yes, and then I can click on the save button. It should be saved. Yes, as you can see in the database, and the text view is gone. And just check the other situation when the text and description is empty. So here I should to see a snack bar. Okay, as you can see, the title and description cannot be empty. Okay guys, here our tutorial is done. So if you have any question, please don't hesitate. Ask me in the comment section. If you need to learn a specific topic, contact me in the comment section, so I will try to provide a video for you. And also, if you are new in the channel, please subscribe my channel, like my video. You know, these are encourage me to record more and more video. And also you can share this video with who wants to learn more about Kotlin programming. So the next video will be about using Koin beside retrofit. So see you soon on the next video.